Hi, today we're going to try and recreate this old bitmap image into a 3D model. Now this is from an old game called Rebelstar on the Spectrum, and this is looks like a robot. So we're going to try and recreate that as a 3D model. So we get started with 1-2-3D design, and what I normally do is I create them out of each pixel as a 1mm by 1mm by 1mm cube. So let's just zoom into that. So that's 1 pixel. And what I will do is measure the size of our robot. So he's 6 pixels across. We'll start at the top. So if we extend this using the tweak tool, you can pull that along to 6mm. And then we have the top of it. So then we'll try and continue using the same method, copy and paste, lots of copy and paste in this. So yeah, that's going to be that. And then copy that, that's going to be on the other side. What have we got in the middle? That's 4 pixels, I think, isn't it? Yeah, so copy that. That's going to be across one more. No, it's there. Pixels for that. There he is, a finished robot. So now we need to merge all the blocks together with the merge tool. And then we can give him some depth by scaling him. Yeah, make it uniform, so 4 times the size. So that will be, when printed out, that will be from bottom to bottom 60mm. Yeah, that'll be good enough for now. And we'll give it a bit more depth as well, because that's still probably not very thick. So I'll scale again, non-uniform, and scale it on the z-axis by maybe twice, 3 times, just until you think it's deep enough. And that looks alright for this demonstration. Looks okay. So we save that, export that as STL. Okay, so we've loaded up our STL model now into MakerBot's MakerWare application. from here we can send it to the printer and generate the final model. So I've loaded the printer up with cyan coloured plastic, so it hopefully should look pretty similar to the Spectrum screenshot. So let's try and send this to the printer now. So that's all good. Don't need raft or a support. Infill 10%, that's plenty. So let's do it. Okay, so we've finished printing it out now, and here he is in full 3D plastic. The robot from Rebelstar. He even stands up as well. So there you go. That's how you can create a 3D model from an old two-dimensional bitmap with 1 through 3D design.